Hi, I'm Ursula from the Derwent Estuary Program, and behind me we are planting out a buffer vegetation next to our Saltmarsh restoration. And we've had an excellent working relationship with the Windermere City Council, Conservation Volunteers Australia and the local community to trial the first time ever an urban passive restoration Saltmarsh project. And already we're seeing the tide is coming exactly to where we've scraped it back, and that will bring in the seeds and allow for the Saltmarsh species to regenerate. So we're super excited to be finishing it off today with the planting.